Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, here going to show you how to use Qwarta Home Credit in Shopee. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So how do you exactly use Qwarta Home Credit here in Shopee? Now you could actually use Qwarta Home Credit here in Shopee via Cash In. So in order for you to do that, first things first is you want to go to the Me section at the bottom right of your screen. And from then on, you want to go ahead and access Shopify. Now, in Shopify, you want to go and click on Cash In. And under Cash In, what you need to do here is you need to choose the option here for Payment Center or / e-wallet. Which in this case, once you click on Payment Center or e-wallet here, you now have the option to use e-wallet to cash in into your account. But from the available list, you want to go ahead and choose EC Pay for e-wallet. Now, on the next page, you just need to specify the amount that you want to cash in and just hit on Pay Now. Now, on the next page, this should open up Dragon Pay, which in this case, you should be able to see the reference number. So remember the reference number or write it somewhere because we'll be using that on the next app here. Now, what you need to do next is you want to open up the Home Credit app and you just want to go ahead and start using the Pay Bill feature that is available for the Home Credit app. Now, by the way, this is directly from their webpage here. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the Pay Bills icon that you see on the Home Credit online app or online loan app here. And from then on, you want to choose the category for it. So in this case, usually Shopee should be under e-commerce. So go ahead and choose e-commerce and just look for Shopee. Now, from then on, you just need to provide some details like the billing details, biller account name here, account number, as well as the reference number. Now, from then on, just complete all the necessary information here, enter any PIN to authorize the payment, and just basically complete the transaction. So this one is fairly simple as long as you know where to access specific settings here and what to choose. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.